So I set up the grinder and we're going to grind some of the paint back and see where we are. Right, so I've bent some of the lip around and it's forming a shape, as you can see. I just need to get that bit out there, so I'm going to drill and pull that bit there and hopefully make this a bit more uniform. I could do with a dolly set, but I don't have one, so future investment, I guess. Right, let's put that there. Looks better. Let's leave that in there. What else have we got? Too bad. Trying to get that fold in there, it's not easy. Let's try. I'll bring you back once I can get a bit better. Right, after bashing and grinding and whatnot, I come to that and it's loads better. It's a little bit out. Oh God. Check the other side, and there is a fraction. It's not 100% straight on the other side. I'll show you. There's a bit of a gap, so it's not too bad. So looks like a bit of filler anyway is going to go in that bit. Just got to do the bottom bit now because there's a bit of a lump here. Right, let's get onto that. So I've wired wheeled most side now. You can kind of get a gist of the gap down here now. It's not wowed. There's definitely no weld there previously. That's just seam sealer. You can see if you look in there. Actually, if I point that gap there, look, you can see where all that seam sealer was. It's just bridged the two gaps together. So I thought that was pushed out a bit, or the weld's broke, but it hasn't. I've looked, so there's no weld in there, and you can see it down here. That's definitely no weld. It's just two pieces of metal pushed together. So I mean, I'll probably push that down a little bit more. Seam seal it along there. think I'll seam seal the holes as well. I've just got to straighten this out a bit more because this bung doesn't fit back in there no more. But I'm pretty happy with that so far. Though it doesn't look it, it's pretty straight under there. You'll see the outcome anyway once I've got some. I need some filler on it. Right, I'm going to put some that on. Big holes. No, I'm going to give it a clean with that first. As I said, I'm going to seam seal those holes. I'm going to put some anti-corrosion properties down there, so I'm not going to leave it as it is exposed metal. Before you think I am. Looks a bit rough, but it looks better in person than it does on camera. And that's just to get a rough uniform, sand it back and then get some filler on it. Right, let's wait for that to dry then. Some filler on just to make that bit up. God, these gloves are horrible, but this is all I can find in the shops, that is. Got a little bit of thinner left. I do need to go to the paint shop tomorrow and get some more bits. Good stuff. Very easy to sand. And then separate hardener, obviously. Oh, nothing to open the tin with. These you have to do. Oh God, just go and get something. Got a screwdriver now. Beautiful. It's like cream. So we've got a nice curve. I know it looks really rough, but you have to sand it down, so. And then let's see under that. And I'm just trying to build this corner out here. It's a bit dipped there, but once this dries, I can then put some more in that bit. Fabulous. Right, on to the next bit.